Oh shit. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, that was gross.
Wait, show them the canister thing.
Oh,
Dude, your mom's gonna see.
I don't care.
Wait. Wait,
Oh,
guys,
God.
zoom out. Oh my god. I'm trying not to laugh. Shit, we're gonna wake your mom up. That's where your mom engaged smoke. So how was it? Was it fun?
Wonderful.
Okay. Stop spitting everywhere. Okay. We did that thing. Why?
Because we were bored and it was fun in a messed up way.
And it was all icky and blech. But yeah, we're really bored. It's like 2:30 something. And I'm sleeping over at this chick's house.
I'm that chick.
So yeah, we decided to do that just to do it because we were really bored. So yeah, I'm watching Parental Control, so that's why I'm like facing it. Oh yeah, black people.
Strictly.
Okay, so yeah, that's about it. Bye.